In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert MXF files to MP4 using Adobe Media Encoder. This process is not only reliable but also straightforward, making it ideal for ensuring compatibility across various platforms and devices. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening Adobe Media Encoder. It's a software designed specifically to handle various media file types, making it perfect for our conversion task. Once the application is up and running, you'll need to import the MXF files you want to convert. This can be done in two simple ways. You can either drag your .mxf files directly into the Queue panel from your File Explorer, or use the menu option by clicking on File, selecting Add Source, and then choosing the MXF files you wish to convert. Both methods work equally well, so choose the one that feels more comfortable for you. Next, you'll see your jobs appear in the Queue panel. This is where we'll set up the output settings. In the Format column, you're going to need to pick a format that supports MP4 output. One of the most popular and effective choices is H.264. This format inherently produces an MP4 file, which is exactly what we need. If you find it necessary, you can also click on the Preset drop-down menu to select a specific target MP4 preset. There are options like YouTube 1080p Full HD or H.264 High Quality that might suit your needs, depending on your intended use for the video. Once these settings are in place, it's time to decide where your new MP4 file will be saved. Click on the output file name or path, choose your preferred destination folder, and give your file a clear and descriptive file name to help you locate it easily later on. Before you hit Start, there are some optional adjustments you might want to consider. Within the Video tab, you have the flexibility to modify the video resolution, frame rate, and bit rate according to your specific requirements. Similarly, there are options in the Audio tab to adjust the audio codec and bitrate. Also, it's important to ensure that the container or multiplexer is set to MP4, especially since certain codecs may have different defaults. With everything set up, you can now click the green Start Queue button, represented by a play icon, to commence the conversion. During this phase, keep an eye on the queue's progress. Once the conversion is complete, navigate to your chosen destination folder and check the newly created MP4 to verify both video and audio are as expected. If you have multiple MXF files to convert, Adobe Media Encoder allows you to select all of them and apply the same format and preset settings for efficient batch processing. This can save you a considerable amount of time and ensure all your files are uniformly converted. And that's how you convert MXF to MP4 in Adobe Media Encoder. Enjoy your newly converted files.